Alright, today we are cleaning out sunroof drains. Now my process would probably be to start from the bottom if I knew where they were and blow them up, because the clogs are probably near the top. However, we don't know where the bottom of the drain is, so we're going to put some air pressure in the top and hope that we can blow them out. Both of them are clogged. This is not my car, and we'll see what we can do. While you're doing this, you ought to grease those, some white lithium grease or something to keep the tracks going, and of course you ought to keep this area clean. And I would rinse it out with some Dawn and the hose once you've got it clear, periodically, just to keep it running. I'm gonna hit it with the blow gun and the air compressor. Got it cranked up about as high as I can get it. Have this first, you can't really get in there. So that's what came out with just a couple blasts there. So I'm guessing the drain is up under here. But with that, we ought to be able to run some Dawn and water through there now and get it totally flushed. And I'll just repeat the process for the other side.